Bill.
It's true.
You got chips.
That's hot.
Yeah, you got chips, baby.
There you go.
Put it up there. Say hey, Mina. Look at my London, y'all. She trying to get that chip bag. Put it in her hand, yeah. Let her hold it. She play with something. I'm not doing nothing but sitting out here with the kids. Let her hold it, Belle. Are you eating your chips? Come here. What your shirt say? Status best sister ever? Oh my goodness. Are you the best sister ever? I was trying to do a video of me actually like doing Amina and London and Belle here. But y'all, the struggle is real when it comes to the little girl right there. She don't like getting her hair done. That's why she always got a ponytail. But I had it done this weekend. Well, this week I had it done just the way like I had it done just like Amina's. But I had to take it out because she pulled all the barrettes and bonbons out of her head. So that was a waste. So yeah, I'm just sitting on the porch with the kids right now. I was outside with the kids. But when I tell you it's so hot, I had to come in. Just put it in my wallet right there. But I had to come in, y'all, because it's hot. Especially sitting down here in the sun. It's hot. Man, don't forget to close that barn door. Yeah, so I'm about to go real quick to the store. See what I'm going to cook for dinner tonight. I don't know if I'm going to cook or not, but I guess we'll see. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Peace. So, I have not been feeling good, you guys. The past couple of days, I just got like a slight cold. You just don't know these damn times what the heck you got. So, thank you, baby. But I just got a, sorry guys. Hey, baby. But like I said, I got a slight cold and just haven't really been feeling good. I took their flu. They told me that I can take Tylenol, Sudafed, Tylenol, sinus, or Tylenol flu, all that stuff, you guys. But I just don't feel good. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my nose area, but yeah, it's kind of congested. Yeah, I'm just trying to let this cold stay with me because I don't want my kids to get sick. So please pray that this cold goes away. Me and babe, we're both actually sick together anyway. So hopefully this cold goes away. With COVID out here, I don't want my immune system or his immune system to be weak, at this point. So, yeah. Y'all, we at Sonic. I'm getting something to eat, y'all. I'm ready to go home so I can get me some medicine in my system, cause
I call you mental medicine in too, babe.
Stop playing, babe. Come on, I call you mental medicine in.
It's gonna be ready at Walgreens.
No, seriously though, I need to get me some cold medicine, you guys. Get in the bed and relax. I wanna unwind. Belle, are you eating, baby? You eating, girl? And the boys, everybody eating. Food. And we are at Sonic, like I said, you guys. I got me a number 2. I was craving a burger today. I haven't had a burger for quite a while. Yeah, I don't know why my face looks so oily. But, yeah. And I got a large lemonade. I don't know why, but I've been wanting lemonade a lot lately. That's all I actually been drinking, surprisingly. Lemonade and water. But yeah, y'all. So I guess I'll come back and talk to you guys in a little bit. They over here watching his little babe, what you watching? What's that called?
Huh?
What was that called again? Oh, his election stuff. He like watching that.
Prediction for the election.
Yeah, he's been watching that election prediction and stuff, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys in a little while because I'm out of breath. As per usual. Is it good, Mel? Okay, baby.
So this is why Donald Trump is doing a little bit better here.
Alright, you guys. So I just got home. showered, and babe had made us both some Theraflu. And I'm gonna take some of this testing I told you guys about. It's the nighttime cough control. I don't cough that much, but when I do cough, I cough and my chest hurts. So I'm about to do that and just relax with babe. Right, baby? He watches MSNBC. We always watch this. This has consumed our life. Let me know if it consumed yours in the comments below, guys. But anyway, yeah. She's trying to crawl. Y'all, Lenny's trying to crawl. She need to be trying to sit up, y'all, because she try to sit up sometimes, but it's not really sitting up, and she'll lean she'll lean too far over, and she'll, fall on her face. So, yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to come and say goodnight. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know it was kind of a little choppy here and there, a little short, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. I guess I'll see you guys in the next vlog. My channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends. You guys, because don't forget, sharing is caring. Let me see her, baby. Lundy, say goodbye. Say bye, everybody. Bye, Bella. She over there in her bed. Bye, baby. Good night. So yeah, don't forget, sharing is caring. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, you guys. Peace. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I'm feeling okay, you guys, but my sense of smell is kind of gone, and my sense of taste is kind of gone as well. So I decided to call my doctors, and they made me an appointment to come get a COVID test done. Hopefully babe can get one done too, so we can just go ahead and narrow it out. So yeah, let's just hope that we don't have no COVID. So hopefully my results will be back, or our results will be back fairly quick. So yeah, so we're just sitting in the line waiting to get this test done. I'm so freaking scared because I know I gotta go all the way up my freaking nose. But yeah, other than that, I just I have a little cough, maybe congested, right, babe? Yeah, I think I'm a little congested, but that's it. Nothing really major. So I think maybe it's just like a pregnancy cold, but I just rather be safe than sorry, because you just don't know. And with my sense of smell and taste being kind of gone, it's like, okay, let's just figure this out, So I just wanted to come and update you guys, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. I know I probably look crazy, but babe made me some chicken and rice, and it's really brothy, and I'm sorry to eat it. I don't feel good at all. I got my COVID test done earlier, so I'm just sitting here eating, and I got my mask handy dandy so I can put my mask on after I'm done eating. I don't want, if I am sick, I don't want anybody else to get sick, So I'm going to eat, you guys. This food is super, super steamy. I'm just so glad I'm kind of congested in my nose. I got my COVID paper they gave me about things that I need to do around the house with the kids as well. So yeah, I just wanted to come and update you guys. I guess I'll talk to you guys a little later. Texas. Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to come and update you guys. I know when you guys saw me last, I was really crying and I was really upset. Um, but I was upset because as you guys know, I have 6 kids and I'm pregnant and um y'all, when I got my test results back last night and it told me that I was positive for COVID-19, you guys. It just really scared me because, like I said, I've been around my children. So, hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to come and update you guys. I know when you guys saw me last, I was really crying and I was really upset. Um, but I was upset because as you guys know, I have 6 kids and I'm pregnant and um y'all, when I got my test results back last night and it told me that I was positive for COVID-19, you guys, it just really scared me because, like I said, I've been around my children. So, I don't know. I've been around my children, I've been around baby, and it just made me so sick to my stomach, y'all. Um, so right now I just been trying to quarantine myself somewhat away from my children. Um, my little kids, they don't understand that mommy don't feel good. So they want to still come in the room with me and stuff like that. So I try my best to keep them there. I sanitize everything. Try to keep everything sanitized, clean. As I've been doing, I just don't understand how did I get COVID. I don't know where it came from. You guys, I always wear my mask. I always sanitize my hands when me and babe is out. I don't go anywhere really. So I don't know where it came from. Anyway, like I was saying, I don't know where it came from. All I know is I've been taking Theraflu. I've been taking Tylenol, flu, and cold. Um, and I was taking Robitussin. I stopped taking that because it was just too sweet, and I just felt like it was just too much, Anyway, like I was saying, I just want to tell you ladies the signs that I had while I'm pregnant. You guys that led me to believe that I had COVID. So the first sign that I initially had was just a sore throat, but it was a real light sore throat. Um, the next day, I noticed that my nose was a little stuffy. Um, and then the following day after that, I noticed that my sore throat was a little bit more sore than it was the previous day. And then the third and fourth day, I noticed that my taste and my sense of smell was a little off when I was eating. Um, when Babe had passed me some chips, I noticed that it just really didn't taste the same to me. So that's when I finally realized, okay, if your taste buds is off, you need to go get tested. So as you guys saw, I went and got tested, and I am positive for COVID-19. So, like I said before, I'm quarantining away from my kids.
A temporary issue has occurred while connecting to the server. Please try again later. 6003.
I'm just glad that at the end of the day, I wasn't around my mom and my sisters and them and my brother. I'm just glad that I know my results. I hate my results, but I'm dealing with my results, you guys. I'm quarantining. I'm staying home. I'm trying to stay safe. I'm keeping my distance away from my children. But like I said, again, it's hard because they don't understand. So as of right now, I still can't smell. I still cannot taste. But I still have a stuffy nose, slightly runny nose as well. But I'm dealing with it. You guys are still taking my Theraflu, and like I told you guys, my Tylenol, flu and cold. So as of right now, that's what I'm doing. Just wanted to come and update you guys because I know I didn't upload last week. Well, yeah, last week I didn't upload, but I just wanted to come and tell you guys what's going on with me and yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are staying safe, you guys, because
I did have some concerns
this
for her,
COVID-19, you guys, is out there, and
some opinions about
it's,
it.
you know, it's nothing to play around with. So definitely stay safe, you guys. Wash your hands, sanitize everything. Yeah, and just like I said, stay safe. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, I appreciate you for coming and stopping by. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're an oldie, and you're returning, hey y'all, I love you guys and I appreciate you all so much. And ask that you keep me in your prayers, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.